Every day, thousands of meme coins are launched on Solana through Pump Fun, Bonk. Most of them are failed projects. Only 1 out of 1,000 succeed. But today, I'll reveal a brand new method that made me 2,000 plus Solana. It doesn't require coding or luck. Anyone can follow my trick that I am going to share in this video. Stay tuned. This strategy could be the key to change your life and make your meme coin moon in reality. I'm here at tokenclub.fun, the most economical Solana token launchpad on the market. This tool only charges the dust in your wallet. Believe me, this is really a cheat code. On the right side, they've eased you in if you are a beginner, but I'll show you all in this live video, as I've already mentioned the token name and symbol and uploaded the image file. Now, at the very first, connect your wallet, as I am going for Solflare wallet. Look, it's connected, and I am currently having 1 Sol in my wallet. As I have done the basic tasks, now scroll down and see that you can add any kind of text related to your meme coin, as I've typed for trillionaires in a queue. You can add website or social links for free with your coin if you want, but I am skipping for now. Here comes an important part. To secure your coin, enable both revoke authorities on to keep it from hodlers. So, keep this on to get more buyers. Coming to the creator info. This is the fun part. Here, you can give a famous launchpad name and email or a creator note. It will make it feel like they have created it. I am skipping this too. And here is the chef's kiss. A very tiny amount they charge. It's really a sweet spot. Now, click on Create Token. Now, approve the transaction. You have to approve again. Yes, we've successfully deployed our token. Here you can copy mint address and transaction ID, or you can ignore it for now, as the platform saves it for you in your portfolio. Let's see our coin in our wallet, and yeah, look guys, it's showing our coin here. Now we'll move to Liquidity Manager. Here you can add liquidity to your coin to make it tradable. In the base token, the coin you made will be auto-fetched, or if made from somewhere else, paste the token address here. Now click on Max for the 100% base token. Now scroll down, and here you can launch a meme coin by literally adding 0.001 Sol. Unlike other DEX that charge you hefty amounts for launching, that's the reason why I love this tool for meme coin launching. Now click on Initialize Liquidity Pool, and look, it's creating and approving the transaction thrice. Look, the meme coin supercycle waits for nobody. But you don't need to be a whale to start. You just need to be smart and stop paying the dev tax and the clunky tool tax to other token creator tools. And that is literally it. You just went from idea to tradable asset on Solana. Hit the approve button twice and wait a few seconds. Finally, our liquidity pool has been created successfully. With this action, our meme coin goes live and becomes available for trading on Solana exchanges. The coin is now officially live on the Solana blockchain. Let's take a look. Here we can see our coin trillion is live and ready for trade. It doesn't end here. A crucial role is there to boost our coin to go parabolic. So, stay till end to know this hidden strategy.
Marketing your meme coin is very important, but there are lots of meme coin promoters charging crazy amounts. But the one I use is called Coinface, a total game changer. This platform promotes our coin on big name sites like DexScreener, GMGN, Birdeye, and other top. It also gives us a free website for our meme token. This will get our token a lot of attention and love from the crypto community. First, we'll connect our Solflare wallet. When the confirmation pops up, just hit the connect button. Then go to your wallet, find your token's mint address, copy it, and paste it here. Got the mint address in? Looking good. Now click the promote button to keep things moving. A confirmation request will pop up, just approve it. Then upload the logo. Once the logo pops up, next, type in your token's name. I'm sticking with Trillion. Here we can customize our page theme. Fun fact is anyone who promotes coin here also enters in a lucky draw for 1 Sol. Click Generate Promotion Site, wait a bit, and boom. Our token's promo site is live. You can check our promotion by clicking the buttons for DexScreener, Birdeye, GMGN, and other DEX tools. Plus, you can share it on Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, and wherever else the crowd hangs out using a unique link tied to our token name.
Let's jump over to Meteora and check out how the promotion's doing.
This hype is absolutely blowing up with massive reach. Look at that. Trading volume on Meteora is skyrocketing. Coinface has kicked off a hype train breaking records every second. Check out the market cap, liquidity, trading logs. Every stat for our meme coin is going through the roof. Could you believe it? Our coin is unstoppable. Liquidity has been crossed over $40,000.
Now, we are ready to remove liquidity. This is the time to withdraw all the money into my wallet. So, clicking on Remove Liquidity. Scroll down to see that I am going to set liquidity to 100%. Let's check my wallet balance. It's less than a sol. Now look, it's showing us an estimated output of 300 plus sol will be there in our wallet. Let's click on Remove Liquidity. Now approve the transaction, wait, and approve again. We'll receive 309 sol after a few seconds. Could you believe? And whoa, we've successfully removed the liquidity from the pool. Let's check our wallet to see if we've received it. Boom. Look, we've made more than 300 sol, which is currently more than $41,000 in my wallet. Don't let the fees eat your liquidity. So, I'll highly recommend you tokenclub.fun because of the lowest charges in the crypto market. Don't be a spectator in this bull run. Be a creator. Smash that like button if this was all helpful. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the moon. Peace.